Good morning, friends. I am Suraj Agrawal. You are watching your favorite YouTube channel, Gardening is My Passion. Today, friends, I will be telling you about NPK 20 20 20 or NPK 19 19 19. These are the balanced fertilizer, balanced chemical fertilizer available in the nurseries, and you can use it. And they are the best for using any kind of plant, any kind of foliage plant, flowering plants, fruiting plant, every kind of plant you can use, including the indoor plants or some succulents also you can use. This is a 100% water soluble fertilizer. If you apply it, you can instantly, they will dissolve, and you can spray as a foliar spray. This is the best for foliar spray. The plants that cannot uptake the directly the fertilizer from the soil, you can spray this NPK fertilizer, water soluble NPK fertilizer. This comes in different brands. If you search in Amazon or Flipkart in mobile or in search, you just see hundreds of brands are available in the nurseries or in this mobile, in this Amazon or Flipkart. You can see these are the different brands. Prices are around 150 to 200 rupees per kilo. These are the trust baskets, and different brands are here. Some Katayani and some other brands are also available. You can buy it online from any of these Amazon or Flipkart online, or from directly from nurseries also. I bought it from some Haifa, some Israel brand, and I am showing you this contains nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. Nitrogens are for foliage growth. Any plant that needs vigorous growth, you can spray this nitrogen, and nitrogen takes care all of the foliage of these plants. And the second item is the phosphorus. The phosphorus is for the rooting of the plants, proper growth of the roots. If you want secondary roots, tertiary roots, they branch out all and they uptake all the water and nutrients from the soil. So phosphorus is very much essential for uptake of the nutrients and water from there. And the potassium is the essential for flowering and fruiting and the soil seed development and everything for this flower and this related. So if you want the balanced fertilizer and you want instant fertilizer for the plants, that plants that cannot take uptake and those plants are going to soak, and if you want to give them a vigorous growth, you can apply them foliar spray, and the plants will uptake instantly. They will uptake the nitrogen, phosphorus or potassium, these major three nutrients, and they can be grown easily. So I am now telling you what would be the actual dose. You just cut off the packet here, and after cutting off, you store it in a dry good container. And NPK 20 20 20 or 19 is to 19 is to 90 is a similar, almost similar product. And take around half teaspoonful in 1 liter of water, that is 2 gram per liter, 2 gram per liter of water. And mix it around, I am applying 1 liter of water, and they will instantly dissolve, they will instantly dissolve. And this is some, maybe some pinkish color, sometimes it may be green color or blue color depending on the variety of brands. So NPK 20 20 20. If you want the best results, you can apply a little bit of magnesium sulfate or Epsom salt in there. This is the magnesium sulfate or Epsom salt I have bought from chemist shop, some medicine shop. You can buy it. It cost me around 65 rupees for 400 gram. Any chemist shop, if you ask magnesium sulfate, they will give you. And in nurseries, there's also available, so you can buy it. And take around 1 gram per liter, that is 2 gram NPK 20 20 20, and I'll mix it around 1 gram of magnesium sulfate. Magnesium is very much essential for the chlorophyll development, and therefore the photosynthesis is highly increased due to the application of magnesium, and the sulfur takes over all the enzymatic activity of these plants. Therefore this will augment the process of fertilization. So this is a very nice combination of foliar sprays. Just see. Now see how to spray it. Just take a sprayer here, fill up it properly, and just see how I am spraying on the leaves, especially on the leaves. And if you want, you can apply in soil also, but if you apply on the leaves for the foliar spray, that is the best and nice. And the nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium, they will take instantly, and they will be for growth of the plants, average growth of the plants. Beautiful. Just see how I am spraying on the leaves, and just drains the total plant here. And you have to do it once in a week. Once in a week is the best for spraying, and if you apply it once in a week, you will see within 1 week or 2 weeks you will see the proper development of these plants. And here you see If you don't want to spray it in the sprayer, if you don't have any sprayer, you can use some plastic bottle also. Just make some holes at the top of this lid here, some holes, and you can make it a sprinkler easily. So in home I have just fill it up with this in this bottle, and this is a very nice, and usually I use it better because they are much more better than the any of the sprayers commercially available sprayers. They work very nice, and sprinkle the plants or this totally drench the plants here. And you will see, do it in the early in the morning, because whenever you apply any fertilizer, please do it early in the morning. If you apply early in the morning, their photosynthesis starts in the early in the morning. Therefore they start taking from the leaves of the stomata from the leaves. Stomatas are for usually for the gaseous exchange, maybe carbon dioxide and oxygen. So therefore they will uptake from the stomata, and they instantly they go to the leaves part where the photosynthesis is occurring and the other chemical reaction is occurring, and the nitrogen, phosphorus and potash, they will instantly take part in this part. And this magnesium is the essential element for some chlorophyll, and the sulfur is for synthesis of many of the enzymes activities. So these are the best beautiful combination. If you don't have magnesium sulfate or epsom salt, you can spray directly the nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, NPK 20-20-20 or in 19-19-19 in plant, and you can apply in any of the flowering plant, fruiting plant, or in this foliage plants. And if you want, you can apply in succulents or indoor plants also. That is also very nice. If you want, you can apply in the seedlings also. And this is the wide range of application you can apply in any plant. Now, many of the people do not like chemical fertilizer, nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium. In that case, you can use organic nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, organic NPK available in the market, nursery shop. You can use the combination of different microbes that are for synthesis of nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. And there again another some liquid NPK is also available, and that contains also humic acid, fulvic acid, amino acid. That also they very nicely works that also. And if you want, you can apply in that some Epsom salt also 1 gram per liter, and that will also do very nicely. Many of the viewers ask me that which plants are suitable for this NPK 20-20-20 or 19-19-19. I tell you that every kind of plants, maybe foliage plants, flowering plants, fruiting plants, any kind of plant, because these are easily dissolvable, easily soluble in water, and they are very less harmful. So you can apply in indoor plants also, in succulents also, in adenium also, every kind of plants you can apply. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you at all like the video, please give it a like, give it a thumbs up. If you want to share, please share with your near and dear ones. If you are very new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. I am going to give you a lot of the garden tips, and thank you very much. Thank you.